Guys, good evening. May tumawag na customer sa akin kanina and asking how to remove the sound, no? Pag pinress po natin yung key fob to lock the car. 'Di ba lagi pong may sound na twice. Beep beep, ganon. Sabi niya alisin daw 'yon dahil naiingayan yung neighbor. So, to remove that one po, you have to press the car sign. Sorry, napindot ko yung 360 cam. Ito. Yan. And go to vehicle, I think. Yan, vehicle, no? And then press the locks. And then, makikita nyo dyan, auto lock, auto unlock. All you have to do to remove the sound is disengage the audible feedback po. Yan. When you press it, wala nang sound na lalabas. So, hindi na makakadisturbo sa neighbor nyo, especially kung nasa townhouse kayo or yung apartment na yung garage is isang hilera lang. So, yun lang guys for today. Thank you. Bye.